Ebusia ene me no baba ye jollof rice. Na jollof rice we me yewie na ye de pa. Enam se de bi. Mintimi nsisi me subscribers. Ente ha se me di anwa esi gane so e ma ne do kakra. Ena me twitwa me ji ne kama ena no so maye den madane egum na ne tie nie jollof rice we. A shabu, very quick and simplest jollof rice I've ever made in my house. And see, me the curry powder, kakra, just a quarter teaspoon of curry powder. And I made dani gumo, and I one bay leaf. It's a say me the tea tomatoes, and I say tomato paste, and so gum. It's me babeche, I me mu abene kakra. Na in pain piece, me pesa me jollof rice, na asie and share. Na me de ijano atso low medium heat. Sene beya enye gidi bebre. Instance se asie ne she pot na se she pe. No ano that will be the downfall of the jollof. Inti no me paucho ayane honso wahwini. Alright, let's move forward. Into ha say me mako me blendi ye a time ason cause in toast ni muabin as you all can see. It's blended pepper and amide and also so egum kama. It's enos me babechim. The reason why a man fa pepper no engumu after the onion and say na me pese me che tomato sumo kakra. Bani nyina eye okay ubitima ye ne senia upibia. Alright, enti yesiano. That was just by the way. Esia minunumu for best 5 minutes. Na afi me ada seasoning and suegumu. But I have say me share no na aye too thick. Enti me dane insuo egumu eye makuna me dane gumu no. And I made it in sukakra raw. A ye me boon na madani egum kama. Send a bear as ye any day ain't. Alright guys, so I have say a black pepper and I say peppercorn and na mianka sam maboboso me di a day a good me jollof base no. Na asie enche and a ye day sham miss jollof rice with ye. As we need so catch. It's ha say me de enchine kakra etumu esan say ye de emo ene begumu nti e will say taste no e perfect and I'll share me de e finishing broth e chicken broth and I say chicken stock egumu ai etino me nunum kakra bi abusia the jollof base is almost done nice. It's sabri me the rice and also so ama wash ho no e ba begum. But before then, let me also add in some little bit of nutmeg. It has a me the just quarter teaspoon of nutmeg and am de egum. Send be ya scent and overpower the actual spices. Inti no me de me rice no so aye den egumu. I ma washing fine. Ebusia for my wash it's me baby nunum amemu achi jollof rice de ehiama abotre ehiama odo ene akrokro ene be ma jollof no emu ayede se we anya abotre jollof rice no enye de enti no obehwa e ha sei me baby numu sa se ne be ya insuo no ebe dry up ansa na ma de insuo anase any stock bia wo depending the meat or the protein you use. It's me, I'm using chicken broth and I'm a day baby den egu efeni same me jollof rice no emo. It's me power chop menko baby ya. So right now, let me take this opportunity to thank you all. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. But emo, aya na mo share video no. Na mo like it, na wa comment it, and so wasi ho. And na mi video enyo fibi mo hu. Menye mesa me da wasi bebre. Alright, abusia for I have say wo sha. Insuo na dry up from the jollof. Emu achi. So jollof beda, it depend on how unya time edi chi mu. It is sabri me de me chicken broth no. Like I said, eba begum. And I say chicken stock, mean canesa, eba begum any insu kakrebi because it still contains some little bit of water. Na makavaso, sene beya ebeyi 1 by 1. Ebusia jollof no, it's almost done. Emodie ye noa emano enche bebre. Alright, so now I'm adding the remaining chicken stock and I'm going to give it a little stir. But trust me guys, the aroma that's coming out from this jollof rice right now, it has given me the final result that I'm looking for. In fact, it smells so good. So now I have to also put the fire on the low medium heat and cover it so that the rice can cook through. All right, guys, so now all that is left is to add some little bit scallions. Then the jollof is complete. Trust me, this is the time I was waiting for. So I'm going to dish myself with some rice and enjoy. Guys, thank you so much for watching till now. I really appreciate it. Please share the video to your loved ones. And if you are not subscribing to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you with another video. Bye.